Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to make a video with response to these particular questions, which says how you can actually buy or sell your cryptocurrency coin even when you are offline. So let's quickly dive into that without a waste of time. Before I dive into this video, your first time coming across to this channel, do well to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. The first thing you just need to do is to navigate yourself to your exchange, the particular exchange you use in trading crypto coin. So when that is successfully done, navigate yourself to the particular cryptocurrency coin you want to trade, right? So let's say I want to go towards this H coins. Here I am with the H coin. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to click on buy. So when I click on buy, it will bring me to this particular interface. I do believe that a lot of us do know how to trade cryptocurrency coin already. So if it brings you to this particular place, you're going to come to this place to input the volume you want to trade with, 30 USD or 40 USD. And if you wish to trade with everything in your account, all you just need to do, if you wish to trade with everything in your account, all you just need to do is to drag from here to this place, and that will be all. So I'm going to just do that right now. You can see I've dragged from here to that place, and that was all. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on my stop loss and take profit, which is here, TP/SO. This is simply what I'm going to do. So I'll click on the TP/SO right now. So the first one right here, the first place right here is the TP, which is the take profit, and the second one right here is a stop loss, which is the stop loss, which is the SL. So I'm going to set this TP first because that is the number one. So now let's reflect the questions. It says how you can actually sell even when the cryptocurrency coin, even when you are offline, right? Okay, I'm going to come to this place now and tell this particular cryptocurrency coin that yes, I'm purchasing this particular coin at 0.0747. So I want to sell this particular cryptocurrency coin the moment this coin changes price to 0.9. For example, I come to this place now and write 0.9. If this particular cryptocurrency coin gets to 0.9, for example, I will make 490.680 USD, and it will be sold for me automatically even if I am not online. Okay, the moment this price reaches here, it will sell it out automatically even though I am not online. You must understand that. Okay, even though I am not online, it's going to sell this particular cryptocurrency coin for me automatically. Okay, so this is one of the major things that brought us here. Better still, this is what you just need to do. So better still, this is just what you need to do. You can come to this particular place and purchase this particular cryptocurrency coin at this particular rate. Just drag this to this, purchase this particular coin at simply this particular rate. Okay, when you purchase this coin, you realize that you have been given 557 of this particular coin. So 557 of this particular cryptocurrency coin. Okay, you can now come back to this place after purchasing this coin successfully. Go back to your sell. Sorry, if you go back to your sell, you're going to drop your 527 right here. This 527 right here, then you come back to this place and edit this place. This is, you want to sell this particular coin at what? You want to sell this particular coin at what? At 0.9. Okay, and by that time your particular coin of 5 something has increased to 6848.6. all right, so if you sell this particular cryptocurrency coin, you're going to click on sell. After clicking on sell, you're going to wait. Everything now will now be at this position's price. So you will wait when the price get to this particular place. It will sell for you automatically even when you are offline. All right, so